And here I have Simply Gum. This is a variety pack. Boost, Cleanse, and Revive. It's a pack of 6, which is 90 pieces total. But synthetic free and aspartame free, non-GMO. This is really real gum. So anyway, this is what you're going to get. The box comes like this. And then, do you know what kind of gum you're eating currently? So anyway, what's in this gum? It's a natural chew. It's a softer chew, and it's made of tree sap, a chicle, is what they call it. Gum instead of plastics that are in gum. Has no fake sweeteners at all. Touch of raw cane sugar gives your gum a hint of sweetness, never using the other artificial sweeteners. And then real flavor, because this gum they use has natural oils and plant extracts as well. So anyway, it's really good. So here's the first one, Cleanse. You get 2 packs of Cleanse. Okay, you get 2 packs of Boost. And I'll go over each of these in a second. And then you get 2 packs of Revive. And each one of these are different flavors. So the Cleanse is a grapefruit, prickly pear, cayenne, and sea salt. And so I've already opened one and eaten some of that one. The Boost is lemongrass, turmeric, and cayenne. Okay, and then the Revive is lime, chili, and sea salt. So very good ingredients. Let's see, natural chicle base. The Candelia wax, natural grapefruit and prickly pear, organic vegetable glycerin, cayenne, sea salt, organic rice flour. So they all have great all natural ingredients in them. And let's check out to see what they look like. So this is what your gum is going to look like. It's just gum. I mean, that's all it is. It's all natural flavored gum. So anyway, it looks like just little cut off chunks. So anyway, I have chewed. This might be a little bit weird, but I've chewed, and you can actually see the colors are a little bit different. So this is the Cleanse, a little bit darker after you chew it. And then the Boost, this is the Boost, a little bit lighter compared to the other one. And then the Revive is this other one that might be a little bit darker, but I mean, that shouldn't really matter. All the flavors are really good. And this is a really good gum to have, especially if you're looking for an all-natural gum that doesn't have other artificial sweeteners and junk in it. So anyway, highly recommend Simply Gum. Definitely check it out.